I'm a Bengali boy. Yeah, my mom used to make me wear a monkey cap till 15. When I came to Mumbai, 6 महीने में मेरे को समझ में आ गया कि डीजे की औकात जो है वो कॉलेज के अंदर ही है, वो बाहर नहीं है.
Hello, compounder. Well, I first know you as a compounder from Mirzapur and then Hathoda Tyagi from Patal Lok. But what most of us don't know about is Abhishek Banerjee. So, Abhishek, welcome to Curly Tales.
Thank you so much.
Well, I was just doing some research about you, Abhishek. I figured that you've actually been in the industry for close to 11 years. You've been a casting director. You made your debut, in fact, in Rang De Basanti. Take us through your journey.
No, I mean that was basically the first time I faced camera. I mean I don't call it my debut film or what, but I mean that's something where I for the first time I could face the camera in a big film, and that was Rang De Basanti. And what a film to start with! The whole journey was to be an actor and how to be an actor, and how to push yourself, how to learn from whatever resources you have, how to survive in an expensive city like Mumbai, and how to make your mark as an actor or as a casting director or as anybody to do with films.
Well, now we look at you talking like this, but after you watch Hathoda Tyagi, मतलब एक अलग सी image आ जाती है. People often forget that there is some other person behind that character that he's playing, and I think for you, you did full justice as Hathoda Tyagi. But what I want to understand really is, does that come from your experience of being a casting director? Do you exactly know what a director or producer may be looking for?
See, when I used to do plays in my college, I think even then, uh, I don't think I should be boasting about it, but even then, people used to like really. I was very popular in my college, and when you come to like how it's very interesting, DJ का वो
Yeah.
सीन नहीं है. Like DJ की औकात जो है वो कॉलेज के अंदर ही है, वो बाहर नहीं है. वो समझ में मुझे 6 महीने आया जब मैं बॉम्बे आया. When I came to Mumbai, 6 महीने में मेरे को समझ में आ गया कि डीजे की औकात वो दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी और that of course people knew you, they would respect you, or they will talk to you, you would could go to anybody and talk and things like that. And suddenly people were cutting calls on my face and nobody wanted to meet me, and nobody wanted to take my audition, and I had to fight to give my audition. I was a very angry guy. After coming to Mumbai, I think within 2 years, my how do I put it, like my confidence started to shake. I started to doubt myself as an actor. And suddenly I realized the things which were working on stage beautifully, the process which was appreciated on stage, suddenly that process was not helping me on camera. So now this is a new, different ball game altogether. And I understood that the medium itself is very different, and the stage is a very different medium. So I had to make changes in my thought process, in my techniques, in my whatever skills I had as an actor, as a theater actor. Now that, of course, casting really helped.
Abhishek, I also heard your talk about nepotism, where you did mention that it's all about the talent and not as much about which family you are born into. Is that something that you truly believe in?
Yeah, I do believe it in, because I that's what I say. The pressures are very different. In fact, I will always say that I have no pressure. I have no pressure because I don't have to prove my family's name. But if I was a son of a certain actor or an actress or
Yeah.
a filmmaker or a producer, then I would be in a huge how do I put it, a dilemma. If you have to make a mark the already set Hindi film industry, then you have to be innovative, you have to be creative, you have to create those opportunities for yourself. So I think what happens is that एक तरफ प्रेशर कम है और दूसरी तरफ क्रिएटिविटी का जो रश है ना वो ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है.
Absolutely. Let's now talk about food and travel. Like I mentioned, Curly Tales is all about food and travel. Do you have any favorites? Do you love to cook? Is there a specific dish that you truly enjoy?
Oh yes, I'm a passionate cook. I love cooking, and Though I get tired after cooking because it's a long process, and also I love to cook lavish. I don't like to cook ये छोटा मोटा दाल वाल सब्जी वब्जी. Banana to biryani and all of that.
Oh,
So I'm I'm a foodie myself, and it's very difficult for someone like me to keep my weight in check because I love to eat, and but I have to do it. It's like a conflict of interest where my job is to be fit as an actor, but I still love to eat as a human being. So yeah, but I think I like all kind of cuisines, but I especially like South Indian and Bengali cuisine a lot.
and you are from Bengal, right?
Yes.
Do you live by yourself, Abhishek, in Mumbai?
No, my wife and me and
Oh,
Kiwi. Kiwi is the cat.
so is there a wife speciality that you truly enjoy?
Wife Tina's favorite, the specialty Tina has is she makes a lot of good murg masallam, like the mutton and the Mughlai mutton. That's her specialty,
Oh,
and
nice.
she makes those nice tangy curries a lot. And I can cook everything. I can cook North Indian, South Indian, Bengali, everything.
So you're talking about Kolkata and the street food. Is there a favorite that you have? And you mentioned you've lived in like about 4 metros. So any particular street food that you truly enjoy? Well,
My favorite street food has to be, I think the winner of the favorite fast food is samosa. I don't know why, but I love samosas. I
oh,
love samosas. Yeah, and I love the Bengali samosas also. They're very different. They're tiny ones.
yeah.
You have to try the Bengali samosa. They're tiny. And of course, I love the Punjabi samosas. I love it. I love samosas. But अभी खाना को मिल नहीं रहा है आजकल तो बस.
And what about traveling? Do you and your wife enjoy traveling?
Yeah. I think me and Tina both we travel a lot. We both are travelers. Tina is more of a traveler. I think that's why we love going. And वो बड़ा कम होता है. I think इसलिए ज़्यादा क्या बोलते हैं पसंद है because where you go थोड़ा वो taken for granted नहीं होता है. Otherwise Goa and all have become कि हाँ it's like
Yeah.
कभी भी चले जाएंगे type. So that's what. But yeah, we love traveling abroad also. We love to take tours abroad and go to cities and stay in all kinds of hotels. I like a little luxury, and Tina is one of those. She likes to stay in hostels and she likes to stay in the smaller hotels also. And she's very like she's very adventurous like that. She would like say कि hostel में रुक जाते हैं. We were staying only for 2 nights. Who cares? And I'm like, okay, fine, if you say so. Let's take that experience and all that. So yeah, I mean, we travel like urban hippies. That's what I call both of us. I think we are urban hippies. We just travel like that.
What about adventure? Do you have an adventurous streak? Would you ever try your hand at skydiving, bungee jumping? या इन सब से दूर ही रहना है?
नहीं नहीं यार अभी तो करना पड़ेगा because as I said that Tina is the more क्या बोलते हैं she is the adventure कीड़ा. She has already done bungee jumping.
Okay.
And yeah, she did it in Croatia, and she does all those cliff jumping and all of that. See, you have to understand about me. I'm a Bengali boy. Okay, my mom used to make me wear a monkey cap till 15. So, so, so I've just started to realize that I'm not going to die the next minute. so I'm a bit nervous about things, but I try it. I take time, but I always try it. But yeah, I get nervous. When I see someone jumping from a bridge out of nowhere to like this deep water, it is little scary for me. But I want to try everything. I want to try skydiving. I want to try bungee jumping. I want to try skiing. Skiing is on my list. That's something I want to try. Yeah. So let's see. There are too many things to try.
And thanks to this lockdown, I think the desire to travel and go out has been at its peak. So do you have a bucket list कि आपने सोचा है कि जैसे ये खत्म होगा, this is the place that you're going to visit? Have you thought about that?
I really want to go to Spiti. That's been on my mind constantly, like constantly. I've been thinking about it the entire lockdown because I always made plans of going to Spiti and I didn't go. So I'm feeling very bad that I couldn't materialize the plan of going to Spiti. But the minute I have the opportunity now, the minute I think things are, the minute I feel that there's going to be no restrictions on traveling,
Yeah.
I would actually drive my car from Mumbai to Spiti. That will happen very,
Wow.
very soon. Yeah.
Wow. So do you particularly enjoy road trips a lot more?
Yeah, we've been to Ladakh. Of course, road trips are, I mean, I love road trips. I mean, sometimes I get tired of driving, but still I love road trips. I think you get to watch things much closer. It's a nice, relaxing way of traveling also. You have much more time with people who you are traveling with to, spend some nice, happy memories.
Right.
So, yeah, I mean, I love driving.
Let's play a fun game with you. I'm going to give you two
Okay.
options and you have to choose one. Okay. So between Bengali food and Delhi ka khana, what would you choose?
Oh, God. Oh, God. Very tough. But I will choose Bengali food, yeah. It's my mother. मेरी माँ के हाथ का खाना है यार.
Bollywood या Hollywood?
Uh, I don't want to Bollywood, Hollywood. I mean, I would want to say Indian film industry, and
Okay.
that includes the Malayalam cinemas, that includes the Tamil cinema, that includes the Bengali cinema and the Hindi cinema. Of course, Hindi cinema is the biggest, but then there are these other industries also. So I would say Indian film industry than a Western film industry for sure.
Beaches or mountains?
Mountains.
Okay. Actor or casting director?
Actor.
All right. Hero या villain?
Villain. Villain any day, because I think villains have a lot of layer. So it's fun to play them.
Is there a fear that you may get typecasted as a particular role?
No, I don't think so. I mean, I hope that practice stops,
Yeah.
and I hope that we grow over and become more mature, and start seeing actors as actors and not as a character. And that
Yeah.
is what we need to really evolve as cinema lovers, or the audience and the makers, both ways. After three, I like, "Ore, nahi yaar, this is amazing." Like I can hang in there and I can stay and act. But before that, I was getting a little restless. You always get restless. Then why maybe you don't know how to act. That's what the main confusion always in your head is, that whether you can act or not.
Yeah.
Because you can't judge yourself. If any actor tells you that, "अरे मुझे पता है कि मैं अच्छी acting करता हूँ," भाई कोई मतलब there's थोड़ा tension है.
Huh.
You know that you can act or not act, but you don't know whether वो सही है कि नहीं है till the time you get accepted in in the fraternity, and
How
then from there the
would you
journey.
like pep yourself up on
What
moments when you really felt low?
I would, there were times when I would say that it's their loss.
That's a good way to look at it.
Yeah. I would always. There were times when I would say that, and there would be times when I would say कि अरे इस एज कैटेगरी में बहुत लोग हैं, कोई बात नहीं, मैं जब 40 का हो जाऊंगा ना, तब तो कम होंगे ना, तब मुझे मिल जाएगा. I would always like 40s में तो जाके मिल ही जाएगा. I was always very sure of that. Someone like Irfan Khan and Adil Hussain, Neeraj Kabir, Pankaj Tripathi. There's so many actors who started their career at 40. So I was also very happy doing that. But yeah, I got lucky and I could start my career earlier. So I'm very happy about that.
Before we let you go, is there a message that you want to give to all the aspiring actors who are probably watching you as a casting director and as an actor as well? क्या tips देना चाहोगे उनको?
Yeah, basically live your life. That's very important. I mean, you need to start living your life. I see many actors not living. By that, what I mean is not traveling, not going anywhere, not chilling with friends, only trying to, how do I put it, be in this whole industry where they are either doing PRs or doing something, or, they're not living their lives. So
Yeah.
that you need to do, because only if you live, you will have the experience to put in for the characters. हम जो जिंदगी जी रहे हैं, उससे हमारे एक्टिंग का बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन और बहुत बड़ा कनेक्शन है. So always remember that.
Absolutely. Abhishek, thank you so much. आपसे बात करके बहुत सीखने भी मिला and it was quite an
Thank you.
entertaining part.
Thank you so much. Lovely talking to you. Yeah. Take care. Take care. Bye. And say bye to your daughter.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.